Good morning. Welcome back to Alchemy School online classes. Hope all of you are good and safe at home. So, in the last part of the video, we learn about your uses of plant. Okay, that plant are used as a fruits, vegetable. They give us wood, paper, furniture. They give us medicines. They give us fiber, cotton, and jute. Okay, they give us oil, perfumes, soap, and shampoo. Okay, now come to your checkpoint, that is your checkpoint number 2, that is you have to write yes or no. So let's start. So your first part is that rubber come from plants, yes or no? Yes. Your cotton cloth is made from jute fiber? Answer is no. Your cotton cloth is made from cotton plants. Okay. Come to next. Paper is made from the wood. Your paper is made from the wood. Yes. Tulsi is a medicine plant. Yes. So we have completed our checkpoint number 2. Okay. Okay. Now you know about the uses of plants. Okay. That why plants are important for us. Okay. So. Can you tell me what would happen if there were no plants left on the earth? Imagine if there is no plants on the left on the earth, then what will happen? Any reason? Without that there are no plants on the earth, then what will happen? Okay, if there were no plants on the earth, then we will not be able to survive on this earth. Okay, plants are very important for us. They give us oxygen, right? So so how can we take care of plants? We should take care of plants. Okay, so how can you give me any suggestions? Can you tell us any suggestion that how can we take care of our plants? Yes, what should we do? Okay. Okay, plants are our good friends. They give us so many things. We will not be able to live without plants. We should take care of plants. How we should take care? By watering them regularly. We give water to them regularly as they need water. Okay, to grow, for their proper growth. Okay, we should not pluck flowers or leaves. Okay, we should not pluck the flowers or leaves. We have to use paper wisely and not wasting it. We should not waste the paper. Okay, we have to planting more plants and trees. Okay. Now come to your activity. There are some plants which can survive inside the house. They are called indoor plants. So you can take an indoor plant and look after it, right? So that is your activity. So we have completed our chapter. Okay, that is your chapter number 4. Okay, we learn about your that how important plant for us. Okay, so try to plant more and more trees. Okay, you do not have to don't pluck flowers and leaves without any reason. Okay, and if there will be no plants, then we will not able to survive. Okay, if there are no plants, then we are also not there on this earth. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.